So before we took the trip, I told people, you know, Japan, home of Nintendo, we do some Mario Karting, and most people said, oh, awesome, they have a Mario Kart track there. Not quite. That's right, you get to ride the streets of Japan in your own Mario Kart. Let's go get in costume. The choice in costumes. Matt, you're gonna get to choose it.
No, sir.
Me.
That's all Robin Harper time. You choose.
Oh no, there's hats too? I'm gonna wear that. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wear this. You know how hot this is? You happy, man? You happy? You like this? What if I do this?
Say hi.
Shibuya on go-karts. Matt, are you enjoying yourself? Just wrapped up the Mario Kart on the streets of Tokyo. I don't know how it's legal, but I'm glad it is. So if you're ever here, you gotta do it. Love it.